Hello and welcome to Pre-ACE Math 3. This is a short video reviewing all of our expectations for our class this year. You can pause the video at any time if you want to read the slides more in depth. I'm just going to go over each one a little bit, so feel free to pause and read and let me know if you have any questions. What is Algebra 2? So Pre-ACE Math 3 is Honors Algebra 2. We're preparing you for ACE Math next year. There are other options. If you don't plan to go on to ACE Math, you could do Honors Pre-Calculus or College Algebra. But overall, our goal here is to expand your ability to work with functions, not just to linear functions you did in Algebra 1. Linear functions are straight lines with a constant slope. But we're going to look at polynomial functions, rational, radical functions, and do some much more interesting things on the coordinate plane when we're graphing, more than just straight lines. So a lot of people ask, why do we have to take Algebra 2? And ideally, you're going to go on to a career in science and math where you'll be using a lot of graphs and a lot of data and analyzing information. So I'm really hoping that many of you are planning that course for your life, but if not, research does show that these higher level math classes help with problem solving and critical thinking. So a big goal of the course is just to make use of your ability to make sense of problem situations. So you could think of it as a brain workout. We're strengthening your critical thinking skills and problem solving. So our schedule is interesting. Many students will be here all 5 days here in the classroom. There's a group of students that will be attending class Monday and Tuesday, and another group that is here just Thursday and Friday. So for that reason, everything we would do in class is available online on Schoology. You'll see a weekly folder with videos and exercises and problems that you need to complete. Everybody, whether you're at home or you're in the classroom, will be working at the same pace. So in Focus, you find your grade, and you should see about 2 to 3 assignments a week in there with a grade. Most of our work will come from online assignments on Schoology. We'll also be working in Khan Academy quite a bit. You'll be doing assignments and exercises in Khan Academy, and also you'll be doing work in the classroom that will be collected, especially quizzes and tests. So please let me know if there's a circumstance at home that's making turning in work difficult, or if something's going on and I just need that information and we can work something out together so that you're successful. Your grade, once again, is in Focus, not in Schoology. 10% of your grade is called accountability points, and those are points just for coming to class on time and being on task and just being appropriate and respectful. 15% of your grade will be notes, participation, and discussions online. 35% of your grade is assignments, and again, those will come from Schoology, Khan Academy, and the classroom. And 40% of your grade is quizzes and tests. We do expect at the end of the semester to have a midterm, and at the end of the year to have a final exam, and that accounts for 30% of your semester grade. Okay, just a moment to talk about how to be successful with online work. Please minimize distractions and interruptions. If you're at home watching a video and trying to problem solve and learn new things, turn off your phone, put your videos away. Let your family know this is my time to do math, and just really come prepared. You know, as soon as you sit down and open up Schoology, have a paper, pencil, and calculator ready to work. That's really going to help you be set up for success. It's easy to push play on a video and then have your phone and scroll through your phone. That's really going to prevent a lot of the retention of the new things you're learning. So it's going to be more efficient, and your learning will be done more quickly if you minimize distractions. So just focus on the task at hand. set some time aside every day for math work. When you do post in Schoology, make sure you read the questions carefully. Always be school appropriate. Be respectful when you're responding to others or even if you're responding to me. And also think for yourself. It's going to be a big challenge with online learning to um, focus on your growth and your learning and what you want to retain and what you want to know. A big part of Algebra 2 is preparing for the SAT and the ACT, and these are things that you really want to know for yourself. So please don't repeat other people's work. Find the answers and figure things out on your own. In the classroom, be on time. Use your class time wisely. Don't try to leave frequently for the bathroom. Um, use technology appropriately. Stay in dress code. Face masks are important. We'll talk about that more in person. Um, and I'm rewarding you for following all of these expectations with your accountability points. So if you see accountability points start to drop, that's because I'm talking to you about different expectations that you're not following. So that's a good heads up to you and to your parents that something isn't quite right. Materials. Get a textbook from the Media Center, an actual hard copy textbook. It's going to help you. There will be days in class where I teach a lesson or you'll do a video online and you won't fully understand a topic, and that textbook is a great resource. So get a textbook. Use the examples. It's also really good for studying. I assign work in there every chapter before tests. So there is a textbook in Schoology, an e-textbook, though I think it's nice just to have the actual book in front of you, flip through the pages, and that way you can be looking at things online and have the book in front of you and you don't have to switch in between windows. Like I said, Khan Academy is going to be important. We need to get you logged in and set up in there pretty quickly. And every time you're sitting down for math, you need paper, pencil, calculator. The AICE calculator is called the TI-36, and that's approved for the AICE exam. And also graph paper. We graph a lot in this class, so it's nice to have a graph paper ready all the time. It's going to make your graphs really precise and accurate and look nice as well. So hold yourself accountable. The most successful classrooms are where students are holding themselves and each other accountable, helping each other out, but working towards that goal of actually learning and retaining information. The accountability points I give you, your 10% of your grade, they're the easiest points to earn, easiest points to earn, and your positive attitude and your willingness to learn will be rewarded in that grade. I do have office hours after school. Please come by if you just need some help with homework or you have a question about a test or you just, have something that you need to go over. This is my email if you need to contact me through email, and my extension is 34073. Also, use the message system on Schoology, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. If it's a school day, I should get back to you within 24 hours. And then if it's the weekend, 48 hours. So yeah, always feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns you have about the class. And we're looking forward to a good year.